In MySQL, backticks, single quotes, and double quotes all have different purposes. Backticks, they are used for identifiers such as table names, column names, database names. So they are required when an identifier contains spaces, special characters, or reserved keywords. So, for example, let's use the data analysis database for this example. Okay, so let's select all. Select all from data analysis dot top price table. So you find out that if we should run this, it will throw an error. See, we're having an error underneath here and the output section. Now, if we should put all of this in a single quote, it will still throw an error. It will still throw an error. If we should put all of this in a double quote, it will still throw an error. So what's the solution? We use backtick. Backtick. Yeah. So putting everything inside a backtick, you see, it would not throw an error. Yes, our table have displayed. So we use backtick when there is space in our words, in our table name. Yes, when there are spaces in our table name, or there are some special characters such as this open and closing parentheses. These are special characters. So in this case, we use what? Backtick. If you use a single quote or the double quote, it will throw an error. We use the single quote when we want to reference a string. For instance, now we can continue with this. We'll say where okay, let's say where company, yeah, let's say where company equals Apple. Just coming up with this. I did plan for this shortly. Let's run this. You see, where the company equals Apple. So filtering where company equals Apple. So say we'll put everything inside a single quote, and this is our output. You see that the company, the data we are getting now is for where the company equals Apple. See, just for Apple. That's great. Let's see if double quote will still work fine here as well. So put everything under a double quote and run it. Great, it worked fine as well. How about if we used backtick? Almighty backtick. Let's see if almighty backtick will work here. Oh, backtick threw an error. It didn't work. It didn't work. So we stick to single quotes Let's stick to single quotes and run it again. Great.